Right, so yesterday on the 29th of June, I posted 25 posts, which is quite a lot. And let's check out the total amount of views. 18,100. So more than yesterday, but 27th of June, wow, we still got a lot more. So let's check a look at the data. Okay, let me drag this over. Okay, so this should add up to, 18,100. So we did more than yesterday, which is good. I think because we did less posts as well. Let's take that into account. So I'm gonna add this formula in. We're gonna figure out the views per post. Yeah, the views per post went up. Instead of doing 666 per post, we got 700. So sort of ish did better. Facebook stayed steady. X stayed steady. Threads has been growing, which is interesting. LinkedIn growing a bit. TikTok stayed the same-ish. But, dude, Snapchat has been a killer. Snapchat has been exponentially growing. Yeah. So let's go ahead and review our top 3 and our bottom 3 posts for yesterday out of the 25 posts and see what we learn. Okay, so number 1 is this one. This is the best performer. 3,000 views, which is quite a lot. My most has been, that's been the most viewed video so far for everything I have. A lot of it came from Snapchat, 2.5k, crazy. I think 4 text helps a lot. Just I think more text the better. Interesting view. People are like, what am I talking about? There's a bridge. So what I'm saying correlates to what they're seeing. They see a guy building something underneath the bridge. Next, this is the second most viewed one. I think this is just relatable, and it's like instantly at the beginning of the clip you see 2 guys like fighting. Yeah. And what's this one? Birthday salute. I think this one did really well on LinkedIn. I think it's a very nice thing, giving very wholesome. So I guess the collective thing is 1, try to have large amount of text. 2, have the first clip be like instantly jumping into it. And 3, wholesome works. Now let's look at the bottom 3 performers. I thought this one would have done well. I think maybe like who cares of me spotting a tall guy? It's not that unique, I guess. Maybe I should have started it here as well. Start it here. That would have been a better jumping point because that's repeated. So I think for better retention I should have started here. Next. Yeah, montages haven't been doing well for me. So when I put effort to edit a montage, it doesn't seem to be doing well. But individually the clips will do better. So lastly this is, I guess we went straight into it. But I guess like no one cares about running for a tram, no one cares about a group of friends clubbing, and no one cares about a tall guy in a club. So I think the conclusion is 1, Snapchat is killing it, so I need to double down on Snapchat. 2, the posts, like I think we are doing better, like the views per post has gone up. If I just posted 5 more things, I definitely think I would have gotten more views, but I just didn't have time yesterday. 3, keep doing long text, wholesome and interesting funny bits. And four, remember, like most people don't care about most things. So stop sharing boring things such as a tour guide in the club, a montage of me and my friends dancing at the club, and all of us like running for the train. There needs to be a more interesting story behind it, which is like you and your friend fighting for the bill. That's relatable. Giving a friend a proper birthday salute. Some random guy building a sand wall underneath the bridge. Has to be more interesting. So yeah, for the last 3 days, I've gotten 52,000 views, a lot of eyeballs, and that doesn't count Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Just because it's a bit harder to track these. Yeah, hopefully that helps, guys. Let me know if you guys find this interesting. If you want to go ahead and grow your personal brand, build a system, get more reach, get more eyeballs, send me a DM on Instagram. I'd love to see if I can help out. I'm more than happy to just help out for free and give some 2 cents. Drop in the comments any questions you have because I want to help as many people as possible. Peace.